Good morning, children. Welcome back to your GK class. How are you all? Children, your today's topic is sense organs. Take out your book 1, Next Thoughts. Open your page number 52. First of all, here you mention the date 25th of July 2020 and here you mention the classwork. And your topic is sense organs. S-E-N-S-E, sense. O-R-G-A-N-S, organs. Sense organs. Children, in our body we have 5 sense organs, like we have 5 fingers in our hand. So, let's study about those 5 sense organs. The eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are called sense organs. Number 1 is our eyes. How many eyes do we have? How many eyes do we have? Yes, we have 2 eyes. And number 2 is ears. How many ears do we have? How many ears do we have? Very good. We have 2 ears. And the third is here. Nose. How many nose do you have? How many nose do you have? We have only 1 nose. Number 4. Tongue. Show me your tongue. Show me your tongue. So this is a tongue. We have only 1 tongue. And number 5 is skin. Can you feel your skin? Touch your skin. Touch your skin. So this is the 5th sense organs. Let's repeat. We have 5 sense organs in our body. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. First one is our eyes. I see with my eyes. With our eyes, we are able to see the things around us. We can see different things. We can see different colors. Like I have 2 different colors. And how do you know which one is red and which one is green? How do you know? So, our eyes help us to see that this is a red color and this one is green color. Our eyes help us to see shapes. Now, different things have different shapes. Like you can see here, this is a ball and this is a book. And this is round in shape and this is rectangle in shapes. So, few things are rectangle, few things are round, few things are triangle. So, things have different shapes. Our eyes help us to know the shape of any object. Here you can see the little girl is looking herself in the mirror with the help of eyes. अपनी आंखों की मदद से वो खुद को देख रही है ना शीशे में. See sizes. I have 2 things. I have 2 things. One is this and other one is this. And do you know which one is big? Which one is big and which one is small? Do you know? Do you know? You can see with the help of your eyes. This is smaller in size and this is bigger in size. So, let's repeat. With our eyes, we are able to see things around us. We can see different colors. We can see different colors. And we can see different shapes. We can see different shapes, and we can see different sizes. We can see different sizes. Children, I hope you understood about your first sense organ, eyes. Let's move on the next sense organs, which is ear. We have 2 ears. Our ears help us to hear sound. We can hear soft sound and loud sounds. Like I am listening a very soft music. Like this, that is soft music. And the other one is loud music. So we can hear both type of sounds, loud and soft. Here you can see the bird. Bird is chirping. And here you can see bus. And जो बस का हॉर्न होता है वो लाउड होता है ना. एंड जो आपकी बर्ड होती है, और जब वो बर्ड जब आपकी सिंगिंग कर रही होती है वो सॉफ्ट साउंड में कर रही होती है ना. You can hear loud sound in a wedding also. Let's read the sentence. I hear with my ears. It means our ears help us to hear soft and loud sounds. So let's move on the next sense organ, which is nose. N-O-S-E, nose. I smell with my nose. Our nose help us to smell good or bad. If I give you a flower or a soap, how does it smell? How does it smell? Tell me. It smells good. And perfume is also smell good. But what if I give you dirty socks? It smells bad. When your mother cooks a pizza for you, it smells good. आप जान जाते हो ना कि मम्मा ने आज किचन में पिज्जा बनाया हुआ, उसका स्मेल आ जाता है ना. तो आपको कैसे पता चलता है? With the help of our nose. So children, with the help of our nose, we can find out that which smell is good and which one is bad. And we can also breathe with our nose, and our nose help us to breathe. Next is tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. A tongue help us to taste. I taste with my tongue. So you eat different kinds of food. So how do you know this is sweet, this is salty, this is spicy, this is sour? Tell me. Yes, with the help of your tongue. Your tongue tells that this food is salty and this one is spicy and this one is bitter and this one is sour. Like apple is sweet and your ice cream is also sweet. And I have 2 food items. First one is cookies and second one is dairy milk. These food items are also sweet. And please tell me, what is this? This is a burger. And tell me, what is this? Yes, this is a chili. Both are spicy. Both are spicy. Tell me, what is this? Tell me, what is this? This is lemon and this is sour. ये खट्टा होता है ना? So, how can we know that is sour? With the help of our tongue. Children, with the help of our tongue, we can taste the things which are sweet, like apple, cookies, chocolate, ice cream. And with the help of our tongue, we can also find out the sour item like lemon and the spicy food items like burger, chips, chili. Okay, children? Children, our last and fifth sense organ is skin. S-K-I-N, skin. I feel with my skin. Children, our skin help us to feel things like hot milk, cold ice cream, hard box, soft pillow. If I give you a teddy bear, how can you know that this is soft or hard? You can touch the teddy bear and tell me. How do you feel? How do you feel it with your skin? Yes, it is soft. And the cat and a straw bunch is also soft. How do you feel it? With the help of your skin. Children, if you hold an ice cube in your hand, how do you feel? That is cold. So, who tells you that is cold? Yes, your skin. By touching the ice cube, you know that is cold. Children, when you pinch your skin, you also feel that. So, our skin help us to tell that is hot, that is cold, that is soft, that is hard. Okay, children? So, these are the 5 sense organs which help us to see things, smell things, hear different sound, taste different food and feel things. Okay, children? I hope you have to understood. Goodbye. Have a nice day.